Hi, I'm Cynthia. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through a 10-minute morning yoga practice for all levels. Let's get started. So sitting on your mat with your knees bent, hands on the floor behind you, bring your feet out wide and we'll start with windshield wipers. So making sure that your feet are wide enough that your knee comes down on the inside of your foot, and your bum may scooch forward after a few shifts of this, and then just lift up and ease your way through from side to side. Now that we've warmed up a little bit, let's take a pause on whatever side you're on, just so you can breathe into some of the sensations that might be an indicator of some stiffness or tension, and then just soften in there. Switch sides and pause. You might notice that one side is different from the other. All of our practice is about svadhyaya, self-study, which can mean our practice and books or reading. From here, coming back to center, everyone joining me on the right side, guide your hip up and lengthen all the way up, finding strength and length from your left hip to your fingertips, and then switching sides. Guide your right hip over, lengthening all the way up. Feel that stretch. And then switch sides. This time, lengthening all the way up and lifting up. Softly release. Coming to the other side, guiding your hip up. Then lifting, opening, feel that stretch. And come all the way down. We'll do this one more time on both sides. Guide your hip up, lengthen, release. Nice deep ujjayi breaths through your nose all the way through the practice. Lifting and opening. And release. We'll switch sides. Guide your hip. This time we'll come down to the floor and lower down in this beautiful twist. And then pressing down into your hands to lift yourself up, strengthening your arms, switching sides. Guide your hips. This is a little twist now. Lowering down. Take your time here. Press into your hands to lift your torso. And then sweep all the way up and over. One more time. Coming into this gentle twist, lowering down. Engage your abdominals and then press down into your hands to lift your torso up. Opening up, switching sides, easing your way to the other side and lowering down. Press down into your hands. Feel the strength in your arms and shoulders as you lift up. And come all the way back to center. Let's just ease our way back and forth. And then from here, allow yourself to extend your left leg. Bring your right foot back. Left hand comes down onto the floor. Reach your right arm as far forward if you can. Reach for your calf or your foot and lengthen forward. Take one more breath here. hug your right thigh into your torso. Wrap your right arm around. Reach for your fingers if you're able to. And extending and lengthening your spine. Opening up. Engaging your lower, middle, and upper abdominals. Come back to neutral. And then forward bending to wherever is comfortable. Your right sits bones will come off the floor as you come forward. Opening up your left shoulder. Take one more breath here. And then lift and release. Switching sides. Left leg comes back. Right hand comes behind you all the way to the floor. Reach forward. If you can reach for your right foot, do so. And then come all the way forward. Nice deep breaths here. And wrapping your left arm around, reach your fingers toward one another, and then opening up toward the right. Nice deep breaths here. And bringing your torso to center, forward bending. Relax your head and neck. Open up your right shoulder. And then lifting up and release. Switching sides. Bringing your right foot back. Bring your right hip back. And we're going to wrap your left elbow around your right knee. Sit up tall. And look over your right shoulders. You can tent your fingers to bring some strength into the full length of your arm. Take one more breath here. And then look forward, keeping the torso in the twist. And release. We'll switch sides. Bringing your left hip back. Left hand tented. Fingertips on the floor. Right elbow wraps around. Coming into a twist. Building strength in your left arm, length through your torso, your breath deep and strong. And then bringing your head forward, looking forward, amazing to release any tension through your shoulders, head, and neck. And then softly release. Let's come back to windshield wipers. Letting your hips and your lower back soften and relax. And then we'll come to lying down. Bringing your right knee into your torso. Taking your right ankle bone to your thigh. And opening up. And then releasing. We'll come to the other side. Drawing your left thigh in toward your chest. Easing your left ankle to your right thigh. Opening up your torso. Pressing your thigh away, getting that nice stretch along your hip and your thigh. And coming back to center, lifting up. Drop both of your knees up and doing circles and switching a circular motion to the other side. And bringing your feet down, knees wide, feet together, opening up your hips. Take a couple of breaths here. Working your feet away from one another, drawing your knees up toward your chest, and then we'll rock several times back and forth, awakening the full length of your spine. Returning to sitting. Cross-legged. Thank you for your practice today. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to continue to practice, I've got 2 videos here for you to do that. Have a great day. Namaste.